ADS20 Instructions. ADS20 has 8 capacitors, 32 MOS tubes, high-frequency arc starter, LCD screen operation interface, can store 20 sets of welding parameters. The welding gun is connected to the arc welding output interface. The welding resistance gun is connected to the welding resistance output interface. The ground clamp is connected to the workpiece control interface. Foot controller access control interface. Press code welding to adjust code welding parameters. Adjust the interval time to 0 for spot welding mode. Welding time is adjusted to digital for continuous mode. Press the solder mask to adjust the solder mask parameters. Function and solder mask while release and mode repair. Swipe the screen to turn pages. Press the help button to watch teaching videos of different welding angles.